Hello everyone. Today we have this question. One room in your apartment is 12 feet by 15 feet. The walls are 9.5 feet high. How much paint will you need to paint the four walls if 1 gallon is enough for 425 square feet? This is square feet. So let's start the solution. It's given the dimension 12 feet by 15 feet. So it means that we have this room. Let's say this length of the room is 15 feet and width of the wall is 12 feet. So as we know, we have four walls in any room in general. So it means that we have two walls of 15 feet, the opposite walls, and similarly the width, that is these two walls of 12 feet. And with this, we have the height 9.5 feet. So let's start the solution of the question. It's very easy and you can solve this question by many methods. So let's start the solution. There are four walls as I told. So length are width, length into width of two opposite walls, that is two valves of 12 feet, and height of these valves is 9.5. So when we multiply these figures, that is 2 times 12 times 9.5 equal to 225 square feet. And similarly for the other side, that is 15 feet length and 9.5 height, and these will be multiplied by 2 because overall we have four walls, so this will become 285 square feet. And now what we will do, we will add these two values to get the area of the walls. So to get the area of the wall, so we will total area of the walls equal to 513. How we will add these values? Now it is given in question that 425 feet square is covered by 1 gallon. So it means that 1 gallon paint can paint 425 feet square area. And we have overall area 513 feet square. So therefore, from here, this is our base for calculation. So it means that if we have 425 feet square for 1 gallon, so 1 feet square will be equal to 1 divided by 425. It means that we will divide by 425 on both sides of the equation. And now we will multiply both sides by this 513 feet square on both sides. So the equation will become 513 feet square equal to 513 multiply with this and divided by this 425. So this will give us 1.2 gallon. That is 513 feet square will be covered by 1.2 gallon. That is a rounded value, means that there are some other points, but if you round it, so 1.2 gallons. So this is the answer of your question, and it is very easy and you can easily calculate if you paint your room. So this was the answer. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.